Welcome G-Tex Designs. In this episode we'll be assembling SA-301, the Boiler Clinker Door assembly. Let's get assembling. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we'll be doing assembly of the Boiler Clinker box door assembly. So open up assembly MMGS, and we will pull in part what do we want? Part 312 first. Probably do view, hide, origins, part that one right there. Beautiful. Okay, so we want to turn off origins again. Just hide them. There we go. Okay, so we want part. We want the one that goes there. So that's nope, not that one. That one. For the mounting bracket. Is that it? No, not that one. Not that one, sorry, we didn't need that one. Door hinge bracket, that's what we want. So now we want mate, that face to that face, those two faces, beautiful. That's circle to that circle. Pretty sure it goes that way. Yeah, it would, otherwise we go there too. And just make sure. Let's unhighlight that one, just turn it. That one to that one. Beautiful, there we go. Lined up beautifully. Got no bolts that put in there. So, gotta go back through and do these bolts up too. Okay, so we want, what's the next one? So the door clinker, the clinker door. Oh, let me just lock that in place. Where is it? There we go. There we go. The hinge, latch. Oop, that's one already got, and that one. There we go. So let me that one. So this one here, move over there. It's got to go on there. It should have been thread. They never said thread, don't think. That's fine. So we want that one to match that one. Beautiful. So it's got to be level, so that will match that one. That way it stays level. Oh, nope. We don't want level with that one, we want parallel. Look at this. Yep. Then it won't rotate around, but we want that circle to match that circle. There we go. There we go. That to lock it in place. Now we want this plate to go on that door. Let's do that one first, mate. Those two, beautiful. Those holes are right. Oh, they're looking right. They look right at first. That hole with that hole. Yeah, right. It looks so not right. So okay, so can I rotate that bit? Nope. That one with that one, just to make sure. Okay, that locked in. Beautiful. Now that side That face with that face. Oh, hold on. Okay, go to mate. That face with that face. That hole with that hole. Beautiful. Let me just move that away. Thank you very much. Okay, so this face there, match that face there. That hole. Oop. Nope, nope, nope. This hole will match that hole. That face. I think I've done that, so. Yep. Ooh, what the heck? Something's definitely wrong there. Those holes seem to be in the wrong spot. That's good. That lines up good. Those holes seem to be in the wrong spot. Everything else seems lined up, just these holes here. Okay. Let me save that. Let me open up that one. There it is there. Let me double check that one. Yeah, that's correct. What's showing in there. 45. Change that to 45 just for a minute. Save. Rebuild. Go back to that one. Still not quite right, but it's closer. Oh, hold on. Something wrong with the door there. Door shouldn't be that far. Okay, let me have a look at this door. Open up. $27 from there, that's right. That's lined up there. Yeah, something is not right. This is too far over. This should be here. Oh, that hole is not lined up with that. Okay. So let me open up the sketch. Let me just select that one. Bring that across. Yeah, it shows that one in the center of that one there. Just see that there. I know I've found a measurement there, so looking better. What's measurements that? Edit. Smart dimension. Let's put that 5. Save. Well, that's definitely better. But it's not closing that tight. There shouldn't be a gap there. I couldn't see. That'd be then heat out. double check this one. Past that 308. Okay, hold on. 6.5. Hold on. Normal 2. Hold on. That looks right. Let's go to edit that one. Thank you. Smart dimension. From there to there. 6.5. That's correct. That's correct. 6.5. Then 3.5. That's correct. Let's make that. Yeah, that one, thank you. Make that one 7.5. See what happens. Then make that 8. Okay, let me go to sketch. I thought you could change the gun in sketch, but I guess not this time. 8. There you go. It still swings up and out. That's fine. I think that worked out good. So, and that still works. No, it doesn't anymore, does it? So I can make that 2. Let's see. Now open that one up. Screwed. Make that one 10. Oh. Sketch change self intersection contour close. Okay. Come on. Rebuild. Thank you. Ooh, what did that upset? So if I did a 10, I think I upset something there. Oh, hold on. If I do that one 4, and that one 10, will that fix it? Build. There we go. That fixed it. Oh, nope. Didn't like something on there. What? Why did I upset that? It definitely made it better on there. But oh, hold on. Sketch. Nope. Why does it stop there? Well, we're done. Well, I'm not 112. 12. Let me just X out sketch. What's that? Oh, there we go. Okay, for some reason. Okay, let's try that again. 4. Which I don't think that worked that way. It did actually. Didn't know that worked. 10. Okay. Save. Rebuild. Okay, that should fix the... There you go. And that fits in there. That locks her in. Okay, so I've done slight adjustments to the plans I got. But we got the clinker door working, which is cool. Alright, that's assembly SA-301. The boiler clinker door assembly. So I hope you enjoyed that. Click the like button if you did. If you want to see more, subscribing. And always happy to hear comments. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.